Introducing Fire-Boltt Thunder Bluetooth Calling Full Touch Smartwatch in silver. It is also available in gold, black and black. It has 1.32 inches round Amoled LCD full touch screen and has a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels and comes in a size of 4.6 by 4.6 by 1.2 centimeters and weighs 64 grams. The IP68 waterproof rating makes it suitable for everyday wear. The smartwatch comes with 10 days battery life. It is compatible with Android 5.0 and iOS 9.0 and above, and features real-time heart rate tracker, blood oxygen tracker, sleep tracker and body temperature check. It is equipped with TWS function and has 30 sports modes, camera control and notification alerts. The watch also features built-in speaker, microphone and voice assistant. The box contains the smartwatch, manual, magnetic charger and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page.